everyone, I am back playing Paper Mario Origami King. In my previous adventure, I have been going to Eddy River Rapids, and I eventually died there. It's because I've been stressing out. So we're gonna try it again. Alright, following the British streamer, Eddy River Rapids. Yeah, we saw this last time. Right, 5 hearts. Okay, now just go down. Keep the boat smooth running. There we go, not bad so far. Oh, phew. My goodness. And then I just go down this little part, which is a little bit scary. Let's go hit by a rock. How did I dodge that? I have no idea how I dodged that. Please say this is the falling rocks part. I'm just gonna skip the confetti holes, everyone, because I will do that off camera. Well, maybe I'll do it off camera because, well, the confetti holes are very difficult. Alright, here we go. Please say this is not the falling rocks part. Okay, good. Because everyone, last time I have died on the falling rocks part. Okay, at least the logs get destroyed when I get hit by them. Then I won't need to worry about those. Please, please say there's a heart somewhere. I could really use a heart. Ah, falling rocks. Right, there's a heart here. There's a heart here. Grab the. Okay, I got the heart. That's good. Oh, ah! I don't know how I dodged that, but I respect it. Oh God. No, okay. Please say, yes, yes, yes. Do not go into tornadoes. Do not go into tornadoes. Please say the tornadoes don't randomly spawn in front of me. Everyone, I'm doing a lot better than last time. Please say that's only one heart. Okay, phew, that's good. We're good, everyone, we're good. Please do not spawn. I'm just an innocent mine trying to get through. Oh, there's the big. Oh, have to dodge. That whirlpool is huge. Up. Okay, I got hit by it. Now, I'm pretty sure if I fall in, it's game over. Do not go. Do not fall in. Do not fall in. I didn't fall in. Good. That's good. That's good that I did not fall in. Yes, I think we're almost there, everyone. We're almost there, and it's only been 4 minutes. I'm actually. Whoa, this is a crazy part. Have we passed the rapids? Have we did it? I think we done it. Okie dokie, we're in the clear. How did you folks like the Eddy River Rapids? Did you have fun? I did die once, but okay. Phew, close calls. They were a bit too close for my comfort, but the pulse was pounding. There's a cool prize if you can nab all those shiny coins. Okay. I feel like my console battery is about to run out, but it's probably only at 20%. Alrighty. Don't remember how the river tours are supposed to feel. This one feels really nice. It's good for you, Bobby. Nice and confident, followed the blue stream all the way down the river. No distractions. Here we are. Here, alright folks, here comes our next stop. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay, we have... Welcome to Stowgun Studios. Super popular location full of spectacular and amazing attractions. Hang on, are you telling me this is here? A theme park? Sounds like so much fun. Can we go, please? Head up there, Stowgun Studios' famous castle. Look at the blue stream, it wraps all the way around it. Oh my gosh. Wow, gosh, imagine of all that places that could lead us. What could we do? Like we have to check out Stowgun Studios. I see to not do. So Stowgun Studios, is it? We're gonna stop here. Right, please. I'm sure you're not on task, madam. No directions, he says. Down the river to Sweet I'd like to get off here. I knew you would need convincing, Mario. Right, folks, have fun. I'll be waiting here when you're done. What? Yes, we're gonna have so much fun in Stowgun Studios. I'm not even thinking about the streaming anymore. Oh, Bobby, you still need to think about the streamer. Wait, oh, what is this? Stowgun Studios entry guide. Common pass, general, one-time entry. Re-entry not permitted. Entry up to